in my garden today, just slowly starting to get ready for spring and for planting. And I've taken all the really dry debris out of the garden, the twigs, the some of the old flowers, and I'm going to put them into my yard waste bag. And I thought that's such a great activity for you guys to do at home too. I have my garden gloves. Let me put those on. I have my bag here. And you guys can help each other, mom and dad. And kids, take your debris and get it into the garbage. And take time to go through your garden and find all of the loose and dead debris. And you can get it out into your yard waste bag and send it off to the composter. Zeta's been given the task of finding all the pebbles in our garden and putting them in a big pail so we collect them all for when we finally plant. They won't bother our plants. And Olive is sweeping all the little debris and putting it back into the garden. Aren't you, Olive?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. This is a dandelion. Let them grow because they're the first flowers for the bumblebees and the bees after winter. Hi everyone, this is mustard garlic. It's an invasive plant species. It chokes out other plant life. If you see it, you need to pick it from the roots and put it into a garbage bag so that it doesn't spread. Hi! There it is, just like that, from the roots. We ordered this giant pack of soil that we're gonna move into our yard today. Zeta and I are going to shovel it. Some shovels, right Zeta? Mm-hmm. And move it around. All right, here we go. We've spread all our new garden soil. So now our garden is ready for some early spring seeds. Things you can plant right now are lettuce, peas, and spinach. So we're going to do that now. Zeta, what are you planting?
Snap peas.
Snap peas. Why are you planting peas?
I don't know.
Well, what's your favorite vegetable?
Peas?
Peas? So it's good to plant them, isn't it? Mm-hmm. All right, keep going. Olive, you want to come behind and push the soil all together?
Mm-hmm.
Cover them up.
Just have to put my seeds down. I put
Looks great.
5, I think.
Perfect.
I have a few more.
Great, we're going to put them in another spot.
Okay.
All right, good. Let's go plant some. And we're just going to write peas on this popsicle stick so we know where we planted them. And Zeta, do you want to go put that right in front of this line of peas?
So right here?
Yeah, and stick it into the earth with the peas sign sticking up.
Like this? No,
Upright. Look, like this. There.
Okay, then take this stick
There we go.
out
Great.
and throw it.
Thank you. Okay, we're going to put some spinach seeds in our shadier spot. The spinach doesn't mind cool and shade. Keeps it from bolting. Some here and then over here. Very scientific planting. All right, there we go. And cover it up now. All right, we're going to plant some kale in our front bed. Super tiny kale seeds. Okay, cover it up.
Oh yeah.
And here's the stick. It says kale.
Oh. Kale. Should I put it right here?
Yeah, that works. Either way, wherever.
Right here.
All right, there we go. Great. after you've planted everything, you want to come inside and write on your calendar that you planted. So I'm going to write peas, kale, spinach, lettuce. So then I know in a week from now that I can plant those things again. So that when they come up for harvest, they're not going to all come up at the same time. They'll come up over several weeks. Have a great time planting, everyone. Happy spring. Happy time outside. Bye.